Hello, welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys are well. It's really great to have you back again. In this video, we'll be showing you how we tidied up our children's toys. Obviously, you can see it's all over the place at the moment. And we bought the triple stacking storage trunk and also the townhouse bookcase. And we will just show you guys how we obviously put it together, which was very straightforward. This is not a sponsored video, so obviously if you do decide to buy this, you can go right ahead and buy it. The product is really great, and we have been using it for the past 2-3 months now, and it has been very durable. But if you don't want to buy it as well, you can always shop around and check other companies that might be selling something similar.
until you came. I was breathless when we first met. Couldn't keep my hands away. I was speechless when we first met. Yeah, you took the pain away. Didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you, to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you. It's you, right next to you, next to you.
So this is how the final result looks like.
Next to you, right next to you.
Which you can see that is really nice.
Next to you, next to you, next to you. Never thought I'd feel this high. The sky has never felt this close, and when you kiss me, I can't believe that I am yours and you are mine. You took the pain away, didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color.
So this is how the triple stacking storage trunk looks like. We actually didn't do a video of this because we put it in another room, but so far so good. Everything looks great and the result has been really good. And look who decided to come and be my model for today. Right, okay, thank you very much guys. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video, and if you do, please don't forget to comment and to like and share with your family and friends. And if you are new on this channel, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe and to also click the notification button so that you are aware the next time we post more videos. Thank you very much for watching guys. Have a lovely day and stay blessed. Bye.
Never thought I'd feel this high. The sky has never felt this close, and when you kiss me